Good morning to all. We have already studied about this isometric projection. Now we shall study about second type of, or in other words we can say what, second type of solution. We shall study about this second type of solution. And in this isometric projection what happened, I shall be explained. In isometric projection, though we have already studied, in previous class we have already studied. Now one more time I want to tell, in isometric projection what value he will give. In every given value we have to multiply by 0.816. Thus what value, after multiplication what value we shall get? That value which will be very near to integer. Thus our figure will be reduced, or thus our figure will be lesser than the isometric way of the project. But in isometric view, as usual we have to take. Okay. Now before start of this solution, two more things I want to say. That is what, in this case, first of all you can see here, this is your front view and this is your top view. This is our front view and this is our front view and this is our top view. And in this top view, if you see from top, it will look like this. This hole you can see here and this is our footing. If you see from top, it will look like this. Okay, now one more thing I want to say, that is what, in first of all we have to draw one horizontal line and both sides we have to take 30-degree angle. Now, because of every time we have to take 30-degree angle, both sides every time we have to take 30-degree angle when you will be draw isometric. Okay. Now, one more thing, that is what, right side length and depth or height which will be found in front view. Right side length, depth or height, usually right side length, depth or height which will be found in front view. And one more thing, that is what, left side length which will be found in left view. Left side length which will be found in left view. Usually like this we have to proceed. Okay. Right side length, depth or height which will be found in front view. Left side length which will be found in left view. Like this we have to proceed. And I already told, isometric projection our figure will be reduced, and in isometric view our figure will be as usual we have to take. There is no need to take multiply by 0.816. Okay. Now we shall proceed. First of all we shall fix the height or depth. You can see here, this is height, that is how much? 25. First of all we shall fix the depth of height. We shall fix. This is depth of footing, which is how much? 25. And this is cylinder. Cylinder height is how much? 50 mm. And diameter of cylinder is how much? 50 mm. Diameter of cylinder is 50 mm and height of cylinder is also 50 mm. Both these two things same. That is how much? 50 mm. Diameter of cylinder is also 50 mm and height of cylinder is also 50 mm. But footing left side is how much? 75. Right side is how much? 100 mm. Depth is how much? 25 mm. First of all we have to draw footing. On that footing we have to place the cylinder. First of all, we have to draw what? Footing. On that footing, we have to place the cylinder. That cylinder diameter is how much? 50 mm. And height is how much? 50 mm. Cylinder dia and height. Both these two things is how much? 50 mm. And footing depth is how much? 25 mm. And right side line 100 mm. Left side line 75 mm. First of all, we shall draw footing, and on that footing we have to place cylinder. Their height is 50 mm and depth also 50 mm. Okay. Now we shall proceed. Okay. Now first of all we shall fix the height of footing or depth of footing, which will be found in front view. This is depth of footing. And 100 into 0.816. And this left side line is how much? 75 mm. 75 into 0.816. Now we shall be join. Okay. Now we have to join this. First of all, we have to measure this distance. We have to measure this distance. The same distance on this imaginary vertical line we have to mark. This same distance we have to measure, and on this imaginary vertical line we have to mark. Okay. Now this is 100 into 0.816. This is 75 into 0.816. This is 25 into 0.816. Okay. Now this is our footing. This is our footing. Which now we have to draw a cylinder. Now we have to draw cylinder which will be placed on this footing. Then, but diameter of cylinder is how much? 50 mm. Therefore, when you will be draw diameter, whenever you will be draw diameter, you have to follow 4 center method. Whenever any type of cylinder or any other thing, when you will be draw, you have to follow which method? 4 center method. You have to follow which method? 4 center method. Okay. Now we shall see. First of all, we shall take center of R side. First of all, we shall take center of R side. Now, we shall get parallel lines. On both sides of this center, we shall take 25 into 0.816. Other side of center, 25 into 0.816. 25 into 0.816, 25 into 0.816, 25 into 0.816, 25 into 0.816. Now we shall get parallel lines. Now we have got rhombus. When you will be draw diameter, first of all you have to follow 4 center method, and first of all you have to make rhombus of side 50 mm because of diameter is how much? 50 mm. Suppose diameter is 75 mm, then we have to make first of all what we have to done? Rhombus of side 75 mm. Suppose diameter is 75 mm, but in this case diameter is how much? 50 mm. Therefore, first of all we have to make rhombus of side 50 mm because of diameter is how much? 50 mm. Okay, now we shall give names A, B, C and D. Okay. Now we shall take center of R side. We shall take center of R side. We shall take center of R side of rhombus. Now we shall give names 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we shall join from D to 1. Now D to 2. Now we have to join D to 4. Now we have to join D to 3. Okay. Now after intersecting the line, we shall get some point. We shall give names for those. E and this point we shall get after intersecting the lines, we shall get this point and this point. Now we shall give the names E and F because of A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay. Now what we have to done, first of all, with B as center, B4 as radius, we have draw R4 and 4, 3. We have draw R4, 3. With D as center and this D1, D2 as radius, we have to draw R2, 1. This is R3, 4. This is R2, 1. Now with F as center, F2 as radius, draw R2, 3. This E as center and E1 as radius, draw R1, 4. Okay. Now finally we shall get in ellipse form. In ellipse form, finally we shall get circle. We have to found in ellipse form. That circle which will be found in ellipse form. Okay. Now we shall fix the height of cylinder. That is how much? 50 mm. 15 to 0.816. 15 to 0.816. 15 to 0.816. Now we have to join. We have to measure the distance and we have to mark on this imaginary vertical line. We have to measure the distance and on this imaginary vertical line, whatever distance we shall get, that same distance we have to mark it. Now we have to join like this. Once again we have to draw diameter, therefore we have to follow 4 center method and finally we shall get in ellipse form. Okay. Now first of all we shall take center of all sides. First of all we shall take center of this side. Second one, center of this side. Third one, center point of this side. Fourth one, center point of this side. Now we shall say A, we shall give names A, B, C and D. Okay, now we shall join the center point. D that center point we shall give the names 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we shall join D2 1, D2 3, D2 4, D2 3. After intersecting lines we shall get point. This point also we shall get after intersecting both these two lines we shall get one point, and another point we shall get after intersecting both these two lines. Say we shall give names E and F. What procedure we have to follow? That same procedure we have to follow to make the diameter. Okay. Now with D as center, D1 as radius, we have to draw R1, 2. With D as center and D1 as radius, draw R3, 4. With F as center, F2 as radius, draw R2, 3. This with E as center, E1 as radius, draw 1, 4. Finally, now we have to join. Okay. Okay. Now this is our footing. This is our footing. On this footing, this is our footing. On this footing, we have placed 50 mm diameter cylinder. Cylinder we have to place on this footing. That diameter is how much? 50 mm and height is also 50 mm. That cylinder we have placed on this footing. Okay. Now we have rough unnecessary lines. Okay. Now our figure has been ready. This is our footing and this is our cylinder. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please share and subscribe my channel.